Welcome everyone back to another modification video on my dad's BMW 3 Series. Now at the minute my car is still in the garage, so that is why we're doing more content on this and not having a break from this to obviously do my car. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to release a full video about what's happened to my car, because it's been about a month, coming on to about a month and a half now of not having my car, which has been really annoying, I know. But anyway, in this video we're going to be doing a load of modifications. We've actually got quite a lot lined up, mostly really for the back end of the car. Now I'm not going to tell you everything we're going to be doing, but it's going to be something along up there. We're going to be doing something to the badges, we're also going to be doing something to the exhaust, and also we're doing something to the mirrors over there. But there are a few more little bits that we're going to be doing which I'm not going to explain, just so you obviously watch the video. And also, actually I forgot to say, we're going to be doing a few bits of maintenance. So down here there's like a little chip in there, there's also somewhere one down at the front apparently. So we've got like a touch-up paint thing to do that. We're also going to fit a new air filter in there, and we're also going to fit the new number plate stickers. But with that being said, please make sure you leave a like, rating, comment and subscribe, so I'd love to hear your feedback, any recommendations of mods and stuff like that you would recommend doing on this car. Please let us know, I'm sure me and my dad will love to look at them. And yes, my dad reads all of the comments. But with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So dad has basically picked up like a service kit for this car, because when we got the car, he found out that it's just had an oil filter change and an oil change. So what he decided to do is just buy a service kit. So today we're just going to quickly fit the filter just while we got a few minutes before we do the mods. But yeah, shouldn't be too hard to do. It's just as simple as getting a few clips all the way around, lifting it off and sliding the old one out and new one in pretty bad condition. It's not too, I mean, yeah, it's pretty bad to be fair. Like, it's pretty dark. You probably won't be able to see it on camera, but it's pretty filthy. Do you want to clean it out as well? That's the new one, and that is the old one. Look how clean that is. Perfect. We'll put that one in. Now I know this is actually obviously a modifications video, but I thought I'd just show you along the journey of kind of doing the little bits as well, because I thought you'd be interested in it as well, not just the mods. The weather today, once again, is absolutely pouring down. But it's like that really thin rain, you know, the wet rain that's like really thin but gets you absolutely drenched. So we might have to kind of stop the video and go in and have to wait a little bit and then come back out and do more, but we'll have to see. So there we go. That is the air filter change. So the first kind of modification we're going to do, it's not really a modification, it's just more of a kind of a nice thing to do, and it makes the car look a lot cleaner, is what I've done on my car, and that is cover the blue bits on the BMW badge in black. Now obviously Dad has seen it on my car, so he wants to do it on his, so we bought a set on eBay, about £8. I'll leave a link in the description down below for you to pick yourself up one if it looks good. So it's just started raining, so what we're going to do is jump into the car and do a few bits in the car first, just while the rain stops. So we've done the back stickers at the moment, so what we're going to do is we'll do the interior stickers here now, and then we're going to do something to the start-stop button as well. So there we have it, we've put those stickers over that, and now it just looks a little bit cleaner and all pure black and white. So the next sort of small modification we're going to do is this start-stop button. Now, at the minute it's just a black one. As you can see there, it's just a black one, so we're just going to replace it with a red one. We might also in the future do something to the outside ring, or we might even get it wrapped, we don't know. But yeah, let's take the trim off and get this installed. So we've now pried off the trim with just some trim tools that I had. Yeah, apparently there's two clips behind here, you have to like pinch and it will then pry it out. Like that. And then, behind here, there's a little connector that comes off like that, and you can then leave that like that. Now this kit we got from Amazon, so I'll leave a link in the description for where you can pick it up. I don't think it was that expensive at all, and in there we have the actual red stop-start button, so we'll grab that. They do like black ones and blue ones as well, so obviously you can just choose whatever colour you want, but Dad likes the one that's in my car, which is a red one. So there we go, that is the red stop button there. We'll just leave that there a minute, and then we'll get out the little screwdriver, which you then use for this to then pry this front cover off. There we go, that is the outer ring off. And then in here, apparently there's just some little clips in here, as I can see. There we go, and that is the old one off. And as you can see here, there's the red button, and there is the black one. So there we have it, that is the new start button on top. So now we'll put this bit back on by lining it up like this. There you go, like that. Nice. And then connect it back up.
just check it. There you go. So there you go, that now works. So if we go ahead and push the trim back in, so that is all in, we'll push that back in like that. And then push the trim back in. And then we have it. That is the red start button installed. Let's just make sure finally it works. As you can tell, it's all absolutely fine.
So guys, the weather is absolutely awful, so we've probably had like an hour or two in between our last clip, but now
the red start button in there is looking really nice. We might black that ring as we said already, and also there is the black logo there. It's just subtle little differences that makes the interior just that slightly bit better. We have got a lot more to do in here yet, but yeah, that is looking proper cool. So now what we're going to do is replace the mirror caps. Now the kind guys at Slink Mods have actually sent out their M-style mirror caps. So if I have a look at here, so look at these bad boys. So we're just currently taking this one off at the minute, but that is kind of the replacement. Look at the difference on that, it looks proper nice.
So once again, a big shout out to Slink Mods for sending these out. If you want to check these out and also buy them for yourself, because they're really, really good price and the shipping's pretty quick as well, make sure you use the link in the description. Also, my discount code that is on screen now, and also it'll be in the description as well. But yeah, definitely go check out Slink Mods. They literally do everything. They do like indicators, which are coming soon. They also do like door lock covers, grills, literally you name it, they've got it.
So yeah, here's the packaging. They look really, really nice, and obviously the other one is in here all wrapped up lovely. But now let's try and get this off. There we go, that is the old one off, and let's get the new one.
So guys, we have now done one of the mirror caps. Now we must just say that I don't know if this is just Dad's model or whether or not it's just, if it's all of them, I don't know. But on his original mirror caps, or like the outside of the mirror cap, as you can see around here, there was like these plastic tabs. There was like 3 of them in total, and we were trying to get the mirror cap on, we just couldn't do it. And it turns out it was because the caps, these like little slits or rivets, rivets were kind of in the way. So what we've done is we've just got a Stanley knife and just cut those little I mean, they were tiny little rivets, cut them off, and now they go straight over the top. So just bear in mind, just double check when you put these on, just double check that there's not these little like plastic bits getting in the way, and if there is, just cut them off and it goes straight on.
And as you can tell, that is looking lovely. That is not going anywhere, it's literally solid. I mean, we can't do a before and after. Do you want to put the other one up against it so you can see what before and after? So yeah, Dad has just put the mirror cap back on that one just to show you. But that is the original ones, and that is the Slink Mods ones. Which one do you prefer?
Definitely the new one.
The new one is so much better. It is the M3 style, but it does look a lot better than the white ones. Super, super happy with them. So guys, there we have it. That is both mirrors in place. What do you think?
That's really good. I mean, super. Let's get these badges done.
We're going to try and get these badges done, but the weather isn't that great. But we'll try our best, and hopefully we'll get it done. Remember, all links and discount codes in the description, but it might take a little bit of tinkering with. And just check if yours has the clips. It probably doesn't. It just seems to be this one does.
Just need to shave it off.
You just need to shave it off, and yeah, it goes on straight away. But it took us about an hour to find that out.
So guys, we've had a bit of a dilemma. Because the rain is that bad, we're going to have to hold off some of the mods until another week, but we've got a load more to come anyway, so we'll wait for those and do it all in one video.
But we have got one last kind of mod to do to the exhaust to make it look a little bit cleaner.
So we're going to quickly do that, and I'll probably wrap up the video. I know it's been a really short video, I do apologise about that. But anyway, let's get on to the last bit.
So essentially, this is Dad's exhaust tip. Now, it does look pretty bad. It's just like bare metal. So what we decided to do is go out and buy high temperature black paint. Now this is rated up to 650 degrees, so I'm sure it will be absolutely fine. It does say on here that you can use it on exhaust. I did see that earlier on, but yeah, this should be ideal for that. So preparation is key, so we've done a bit of a bod's job, but it should do. So guys, there we have it. That is the exhaust tip done, and you can't even see it, and that is the whole point, because we don't want it to be on show, because it's not that great of a tip anyway, so we just thought we'd black it out just to completely hide it. So guys, in this episode we have done all of the badges. We've done that one, we've obviously done all of those. We also did the interior one on the steering wheel as well, and also we did the red stop start button. We've done the mirrors, which look awesome. I think that's kind of the main thing of the episode. The mirror caps look so nice, and also we've done that badge, and also we've done the exhaust. Subtle mods, yeah, it's looking so much better. It is genuinely starting to look really, really good, and Dad's really, really happy with it, so that is all that matters. But we have got a load of more mods to come. I'm not going to tell everything, but Dad does potentially want to get spacers as well, which would be awesome. But yeah, those are to come. So once again, a massive thank you to Slink Mods for sending out the mirror caps. They look absolutely awesome.
It's a shame we couldn't do the spoiler, but that will be coming in the next video. And also we didn't get to do the touch-up paint or the number plate stickers and stuff like that. We literally just can't do it because the weather is absolutely awful, so we'll have to wait for that until another video. Anyway guys, hopefully you did enjoy the video. If you did, just make sure you leave a like rating, and also comment and subscribe, because I'd love to hear your feedback. And I shall catch you guys very shortly on a brand new video. And by the way, yes, my car is still broke, so I'm going to do a whole update video on that and kind of tell you what's happened if you missed the live stream. But I'll catch you guys very shortly on a brand new video.